Hi sweethearts, welcome to my channel, Miss I98. My name is Alexis, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this Halloween makeup look. And all I'm doing is just grabbing a glue stick and gluing my eyebrows down. After I do that, I'm just going to grab some powder and place that over my eyebrow to set it in place. If you sweethearts are interested in seeing which products I used, I'll make sure to link it down below for you guys in the description box. Today I'm going to be using my spooky sponge, and you can grab any concealer you like as long as it's white, so we can have a white canvas all over our face, blend it all together. And one more time I'm going to be going back in with that powder and add that all over my face to set it in place. You're going to grab any black eyeliner pencil you have on hand with you. I'm going to be using e.l.f. and I'm just going to be using that to outline my whole face and see what horror characters I want on each side. And then I'm going to go into the eyeshadows, and I'm going to grab the brown eyeshadow and add that all around one part of my face. Now we're going to be grabbing our Milani lipstick number 13, which is like a very matte lipstick, and I'm just going to be filling in where we added our sketch at for our first horror character. After that's done, I'm going to grab some gray eyeshadow and add that around my eyes, everywhere where the black's at, just to add some shadow to it. I'm going to grab my Milani number 10, which is like a deep red matte lipstick, just add some blood and splats and stuff like that, so it can just add more dimension. Next side, I'm going to be grabbing that same eye pencil we used, the e.l.f. black one. I'm just going to be adding like some wrinkles, and then I'm going to be adding a eyebrow. Now we're going to grab a red eyeshadow and add that on top of our matte lipstick just to make it a bit more matte. Now we're going to dip in a green eyeshadow and add that towards the lower end of your cheekbones just to make a shadow right there. And we're going to grab our ColourPop pencil. I heart this, and I'm going to be using that to draw out some gums. And I did my teeth off camera, so it's more faster for you guys. Then I'm going to grab Morphe X Lucky Charms color pencil in the shade Mischievous, and I'm going to be drawing HA all over my face. What I like about this look is that I'm just reusing all the same colors I already have on hand with me. I'm actually going to be going back in with the eyeshadow palette and grabbing that gray shade again and just add that to my nose. Morphe X Lucky Charms color pencil, which is the red one, and I'm just going to sketch out the swirl, and then I'm going to go back in with that matte lipstick. Then I'm going to grab my e.l.f. pencil again, and I'm just going to sketch out where the lips are going to be. After I'm done outlining my lips with my e.l.f. lip pencil, I'm going to be going back in and filling in red lipstick from Milani. And then I'm going to be adding some finishing details. There's the complete look, you guys. I hope you guys love this tutorial. And thank you sweethearts for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And see you guys in the next video. Bye!